1703 UTC on 9540 kHz. The SI code was 333. KNLS Alaska playing song in Russian was heard at 1711 UTC on 9605 kHz. The SI code was 343. KNLS Alaska talked by OM in Chinese was heard at 1715 UTC on 9550 kHz. The SIU code was 333. I want to thank Mr. Pradeep Chandra Kundu of Tripura, India for sharing his log with us. If you have any comments and suggestions, and send your reception report to the following email address: dxbangla@gmail.com. dxbangla@gmail.com. Okay, I will come with more DX news in the next edition. Till then, take care. Salam Bonar, Raksahi, Bangladesh.
Welcome to the DX Report of the Month from Japan Shortwave Club, edited by Toshio Take, and I'm Yukiko Tsushi. We had several DX reports from our club members this week. VORW, Radio International, via Power Tune, Taiwan, was heard on 9705